Hey, what's up YouTube? It's time for another upgrade on the CRV. We got some interior LEDs from LASFIT. So here they are. You can tell the quality on this. Can't wait to get it installed. So I'm gonna actually have a product link where you guys can get actually some discount on this also. So make sure to check out the description if you're looking for interior LED lights. So here's a before video how it looks. Here's the cargo area lights. Alright guys, so we're inside the car now. So there's two lights here, and you got one back there, and there's two in the cargo area. So let's go ahead and get this one off. The easiest thing you can do, grab a flathead, and these two sides are where it's attached. So you can put your flathead in there and kind of just pop it out. There you go. Same thing with the other side. You can grab, as you can see right here, these are the lips that hold it on. So use the same kind of thing on the right side, and it will pop right out. There you go. So here's the stock bulb that we're going to be pulling out, replacing it with the LED. Basically, to get the old one out, you just grab the bulb and pull it out. If it has been on, make sure to use something so you don't burn yourself. They can get hot. So the stock one's a Toshiba brand. So you can see, just straight up pull it down. And this is the new one that's going on. You can tell the quality on these things are nice. Let me get this out. So once you get this out, you're pretty much just plugging it in. Once you push it in, you can test your lights, see if it is working. There it is. Oh my gosh, that thing is bright. And we'll push this back on, put it in place, and just push both the sides in. That's all. Here's the difference. Alright guys, so pretty much the same process on this side. Got it in, and it's just unbelievably bright. Can't wait to show you guys how this looks at night. And let's go do the back one now. Alright guys, so we're at the back location. Fairly easy to grab your flathead. There's two areas, one here, one here. You stick this in and pop, kind of pry it out. If you have something plastic, that would be better, so that way you don't scratch anything up. But it's harder to get since it's so tight, it's harder to get in. So just pop this out, and just the glass portion itself comes out, and you just have one LED or one bulb here that you need to replace. Same thing, grab it and pull it out. There you go. And we'll put our replacement one in there. Alright, so I got my replacement one. Kind of get in there and just push it in, and you can test it out here. Man, this thing is bright. We'll put the cover back on. So there's this tab right here that you put over there. Once you have it, you just need to push it up and it will tap on. Back side on. There you go. All right, so this side is good to go, and it's bright. Now we are in the trunk. So there's two lights with the switch that you can flip on. These, you grab it at the top and it'll pop right out. And once you open it up, your LED, your bulb's right there, and you can pull that out. There we go. Got the bulb out. put our new one in. Okay guys, so I got the new one in there. You can flip the switch to see if it works. Wow, so bright. Can't get used to that. Whew. And you just slide it back in and pop it on. Just got one more side to do and we're done. So alright guys, this is the next day. Watch how bright this thing is. You can unlock the car. Look at this thing. Some people actually might not like this, that is this bright, but I love this thing. I mean, you can literally see everything. There's a big difference as far as how bright these are. I'm gonna go open the trunk. Look at this. Super bright in here. Alright guys, like I said, I'll put the link in the description. Includes a discount, so check this out if you're interested. Until next time.